Hey guys, welcome to my house. I want to share with you my daily habits. First, download my house checklist to see what I have someone do at my house every single day. I say these 4 things to myself every day. I develop leaders. It's not what I do, it's who I am. I give my very best and then some every day. God, show me how I can be a blessing in someone's life, and God, show me how I can grow closer to you and bring others closer to you. One of the things I like to do is to have extras of all my products, at least 3, so I never run out of anything like shampoos, conditioners. I keep it all on a checklist for my assistant to buy. I wear black every day, so I never spend time thinking about what I'm going to wear. I have 10 or 20 of the exact same outfits and alternate every 10 days. I also love this Berkey water filter. The filters are gravity fed, so no need for electricity. This is the best water filter out there, and it tastes so amazingly clean. I cannot stress how important it is to have clean water when you fast. Speaking of fasting, if you haven't registered for my Fasting Reset Summit, go do it now. It's free, but it's only free for a limited time. We have 5 refrigerators. This is one of them. I like to have things very grab and go. So if I want something sweet, I make organic chia seed pudding with sour cherry spread on top. But I always have things just ready to go. This is my favorite kale. I always use organic, it's called dinosaur kale. I love to make salads with it. I also love this organic rainbow chard. My son loves fruit. It's on the lower level so he can grab it. Let's look at what's in my freezer. I love this organic jasmine rice. It's so easy, it microwaves in 3 minutes. This is for Kyle, like some fun treats, little cupcakes. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, soy-free. Now, for my smoothies, if you notice, I have organic kale and organic spinach. I leave them in the freezer, and that's how I make all my smoothies. This is a great in the afternoon. I use this on top of my coffee. I love to put this on top, and like if I have like decaf coffee in the afternoon, I don't drink it in the morning, I'll put a little bit of this cocoa whip to kind of make it like a dessert. This is a gluten-free millet and flax lavash that I love. You can only order it from Sammy's Bakery in Florida, but I just call them and they deliver it. These are some cauliflower pizza crusts that I already make. They're already ready to go. If I want to make lasagna, I'm gonna do it with these lasagna sheets. They're made with almond flour. They're grain-free and gluten-free that are really, really delish. And some fettuccine almond flour. This is some soup that I made. I make my own homemade bone broth, and I just stick it right here in the freezer. I also make a super refreshing, delicious drink with half a lime, half a lemon, and half a fresh squeezed orange every day. I also love this water heater for tea because it heats up super fast in like 30 seconds, and it keeps the water hot all day. So whenever I want tea, I already have water ready. There's also a non-inflammatory muffin recipe that I love. I just make them and then I'll put them in the freezer to have in a flash. I also use supplements every single day. I just started private labeling my own supplement brand. We have digestive supplements so that if I end up having gluten or dairy that day, which I don't eat very often, but in order for me to eat it, I have to have a digestive supplement. I have a weight loss booster, which will help you to not be as hungry. My protein powders are amazing. They are so healthy. One of the other things that's amazing is the trimmed down support packets. These packets are designed to assist the body with using fat for fuel, and it helps your insulin levels, your cortisol, and energy levels. One of the things I do every night, because I used to be really constipated, is use castor oil packs. Castor oil packs are so good. They enhance circulation, they promote healing, and they really improve liver function. They really help you to have amazing poops, which if you have amazing poops, you're gonna have amazing health. I also make this amazing shea butter souffle, which I put on every night. So I always wear an Oura ring at night. This ring tells me how much I slept, how my sleep is. I wear that every single night. Right next to my bed, I have this essential oil machine, and I have my castor oil, my cosmetic castor oil for my face and my eyes. Every day I spend time writing, so I spend 30 minutes a day writing, so that's how I got this book done. This is my 6-week Bible study. It's full in color, and it has charts and fun to look at. This is my Bible. I spend time reading it either on the Bible or on the Bible app every day. I like to do devotionals on my Bible app. You can find some for just about anything. And I listen to at least at a minimum 4 podcasts every day. Here are some of my favorites. I either listen to a sermon or leadership podcasts. Focus on what you're good at and monetize it. I'm always asking myself, am I doing dollar productive activities? That's why I started my new Sempronto Media company, because we're great at podcasts, summit production, and systems, and we wanted to share it with other people. A lot of people don't understand how I get so much done, but it's because I delegate so much of the things that I do. Download my house checklist to see what I have someone do at my house every day.